Nothing can be more fun than rescuing and restoring furniture that you got at a garage sale, or maybe on the side of the road, or maybe even in your own attic. But it's going to be very important to do one thing first, and the first step is to make sure that you clean that piece correctly. That way, that's the only prep you have. With our one-step paint, there's no sanding, no stripping, no priming, but we do need to make sure that we clean it really good first. So a great DIY pantry product is our Clean Slate. So on this piece that you see here, it's been lacquered. It's probably had liquid gold on it in the 70s. I need to make sure that I clean it first. The Clean Slate is going to be great to be able to take off all the waxes, the liquid gold, or whatever cleaners have been used on this piece. So I'm going to load it up, count for about 4 to 5 seconds, put it into a lint-free rag, and then go back and clean your piece completely. It's going to be important that you don't use household cleaners or degreasers because they're not going to properly clean your piece and get off all the surfactants so you're ready to have a successful project.